Hello my darlings, and welcome to my Sigil spell bag series. Each month I create a unique magic sigil that you can use for your own spell work. In this video, we create a sigil to use to build strong relationships. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm using a worksheet I designed to create this sigil. If you'd like to download any of my sigil making worksheets, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs. To begin creating the magical sigil, I start with the magical intention. I write this out as a positive phrase. My statement for this sigil is my relationships are strong. Be careful not to combine too many ideas into a single sigil. It's best to have one single clear intent that represents your true will. I remove all vowels, leaving only consonants. Consonants are the manifesting sounds. If a consonant is repeated, I use it only one time. I'm left with MYR, LTN, SHPG. Next, I combine the letter shapes into a sigil. This typically takes me between 3 to 6 steps to get to a final outcome that I'm really happy with. You don't have to settle for the first result that you get unless you like it on the first try. As I work, I focus my intention and put my energy and will into the creation of the sigil. My relationships are strong. I took the final result and scanned it into Photoshop and recreated it as digital artwork, which I sent off to be turned into a custom stamp. This design will be transferred onto spell bags for my patrons and for my Etsy shop. While I waited for the custom stamp to arrive, I had time to prepare my muslin bags. I measured the width of the bag and cut pieces of heavy cardstock to fit inside. Then I rounded the corners of the cardstock so they could slide into the bags easily. And here's the custom stamp I ordered. I decided to use an aqua fabric paint on a rubber roller to ink the stamp and transfer my design onto the spell bags. On my Patreon, I have a Sigil Spell Bag Patreon tier. Sigil Spell Bag patrons receive a monthly pen pal card with stickers and a note from me, and a new Sigil Spell Bag tucked inside their card each month. If you'd like to become a Sigil Spell Bag patron, I'll put a link in the description below. This sigil is meant to be shared. Feel free to use it in any magical workings that you do related to strengthening the positive relationships in your life. You can fill this spell bag with anything you like: herbs, tag locks, petitions, crystals, and more. I'm using dried roses to bring in the magic of the flower related to love and friendship. I'm also including a written petition into the spell bag. I'm adding a few personal items that represent my intentions and the relationships I wish to strengthen. What you choose for your spell bag will be personal to you and the magical intent that you are making it for.